Hello, dear student and my dear teachers. Here I am Sajjad Ahmed Khan from Shahbabu Junior College, Patur. I welcome you to my YouTube presentation that is Know Thy Course Book for Standard 12th. Dear student, you all know very well that there is no friend as loyal as book. So, once Ernest Hemingway said this. Again, a book is a dream you hold in your hand. So, dear student, come on and let's see your new textbook, English Yuvak Bharti, that was published by Bal Bharti, and you can download it. So, stay at home and read this book, and I am here to guide you on my YouTube channel. So, before going to start our journey to learn more about new English Yuvak Bharti, look at the cover page, that is very colorful. It is very colorful and wonderful. And what I would like to say about you about the organizings of the book. First of all, let's see the salient feature of the textbook. It is a beautiful combination of language and literature. So you will enjoy while you are learning that book. Second is that it is a blend of classic and contemporary periods. So in that book you learn about modern, medieval and ancient period too. Understand different culture, people and places. You can meet various culture, learn various culture, people and places. Effective and communicative use and approach, that was the core objective of that book. And actually 21st century is an era of innovation, industry and enterprises. So we have to sharpen skill of our student for their future, for their bright future, to use English for a different purpose in the modern world, just like mind mapping, statement of purpose, drafting virtual web messages and group discussion. These topics are dealing in the writing skills, and learning to learn is the basic and core instinct of that book. Seek information and gain knowledge. Make your classroom more and more interactive, my dear teacher, so that your student will enjoy it. Then why and how, क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग ये किताब और हमको ये कैसे पढ़ानी है, तो ये दोनों चीज़ें हैं जो मैं अपने टीचर्स के साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ और अपने स्टूडेंट को भी कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ. हाउ अ टीचर कैन यूज इट. You can read the preface of the textbook, so you get more knowledge about the aim and objective of that book. Second is that for student, for teacher, while we are teaching or while students are learning language pleasurably and inculcate the values, that is more important. कि स्टूडेंट ने आनंददायी वातावरण में इसका मज़ा लेना चाहिए और अंग्रेजी को बगैर झिझक के, बगैर डर के पढ़ना चाहिए. सेकंड इज दैट to play a role of facilitator and motivator. That was the main duty of teacher nowadays. This textbook is focus on the skill based and constructive approach of holistic development of the student. Means we have to stress on the holistic development, the complete development of our student. It also enhance the language skill through various activities that are given after or before the text, just like the here we have the icebreaker activities, here we have the brainstorming activities, writing activities and extension activity. It is duty of teacher to inculcate the linguistic skill and life skill, because our student go to the new world, the modern world, and that is a very competitive world for them. So this textbook is beautifully designed. The text and the activities designed for smooth learning and for the development critical thinking of the student. So that was for student and teachers. And our textbook is organized into 4 parts. First part is devoted to the prose, second part is for poetry, third is for writing skill, and fourth for the new genre novel. So novel is included. In 11th standard we had drama. So while we are dealing with section 1 prose, so we found that it is a wonderful blend of stories, essays and inspiring biopics, travels and adventures, writing skill and articles. Inspiring pieces of literature by famous authors or by famous writers to inculcate and sharpen the life skill. Again, this point is I am raising because our students are going and facing the problem of 21st century. So it is our duty as a teacher to sharpen their skill. One beautiful thing is that our textbook is a techno-savvy kind of textbook, because big data is an information, an explosion of information that you see everywhere, that is a part and parcel of our life. So in this world, we need to be a better citizen, and as well we must be a world's best netizen. To develop critical thinking, it is also our duty. And last, while we are learning this textbook, we feel the pleasure and pain of life. जब हम ये किताब पढ़ते हैं तो हमने उसका आनंद लेना चाहिए, महसूस करना चाहिए, उसकी खुशियाँ और हमारे ज़िंदगी से आने वाले प्रॉब्लम को हमको सॉल्व करना चाहिए. And the second activity is that about poetry. Second section is devoted to poetry. It is a very interesting poem that are in our syllabus, that teaches you not only how to learn poetry, what are the objectives of the poetry. It doesn't mean that poetry means summarizing or appreciating or composing. Poetry tells beyond the word, beyond the emotions, beyond the feelings. Soul stirring poem and joy of learning we will get from the poem or that poetry sections. Poetry is also teaches us the beauty, the aesthetic sense, a rhythm and human values. Add beauty in learning and as well in our life. So dear student, while we are dealing with our life, our English subject is a life science. So poetry is very benefited for that. Taste of different people, culture and philosophies that mold not only student but also teachers and the whole world, because the poetry, the inspiring lines motivate us and that can change our life. So the gist of the poetry learning is that perception of life is very important than any other thing, I think so. And third section is that writing skill. Again this syllabus sharpen our students' skill and prepare them for more competitive exams, more competitive world in future. So to hone the various form of writing skill, and that are the revolutionary changes that you find in that textbook. Just we have summary writing, that is very important throughout our life. Mind mapping, it is also very important. While you are listening, learning, reading, studying any subject, you have your own plan. So mind mapping is a technique for study. Second thing is that note making. These are also the technique of study for better performance. So these kind of skills are included in writing skills. So amazing. Statement of purpose is there. So we can learn these new things too. And drafting a virtual message, you know that we can't live without sending message or receiving message nowadays. We have WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, all these channels and that social media. So what is the important virtual message and how we can make a virtual message more powerful, more useful, more meaningful, so we can learn it. And group discussion. Last but not least, group discussion is very important while you are preparing for competitive exam, while you are planning for anything, the big project. So these kind of skills, these kind of skill will benefited you in future. तो स्टूडेंट ने बिल्कुल इसको बहुत ही गौर से पढ़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये उनके बहुत काम में आने वाली चीज़ें हैं, जो ना कि उनको सिर्फ 12वीं में यूज़फुल होगी बल्कि आगे भी उसका इस्तेमाल होगा. एंड लास्ट सेक्शन ऑफ आवर टेक्स्ट बुक इज द न्यू section, that is genre novels. कादम्बरी, नॉवेल। तो ये जो सेक्शन है, लास्ट ईयर आपने इसके जगह ड्रामा को पढ़ा था, अब इस जगह हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं नॉवेल। सो बहुत सारी फिल्में आपने देखा होगा कि नॉवेल्स पर बेस्ड होती है। बहुत ही फेमस नॉवेल्स आपने, हैरी पॉटर जैसे नॉवेल पर फिल्में बनी हैं। एक ज़माने में शक्ति सामंत साहब के नॉवेल पर फिल्में बनती थी। और आज का ज़माना फिक्शन, साइंस फिक्शंस, डिटेक्टिव स्टोरीज, एक्साइटमेंट, एडवेंचर, ट्रैवलॉग्यू, इस पर लिखने का है। तो स्टूडेंट have a glimpse or genre of novels that is an exciting and captivating branch of literature. You can get a mixed blend of prejudice, dard, dukh from that text, from that protagonist or hero की कहानी से, and racism. It is also raised in our textbook. नस्लवाद, रंगवाद, तो ये भी हमारे कम्युनिटी का एक हिस्सा है। रिलेशन बिटवीन स्टूडेंट एंड टीचर। सो इस पर एक बहुत ही अच्छा एक नॉवेल का पीस हमको दिया है, आप इसको ज़रूर पढ़ें। सोशियो कल्चर, इस थीम को भी ये नॉवेल डील करते हैं। सो माइंड ब्लोइंग डिटेक्टिव स्टोरीज है, जैसे आपने शेरलॉक होम्स की स्टोरीज को पढ़ा होगा। सो दिस काइंड ऑफ नॉवेल इज एन एडिशनल और एक्सटेंशन part that in our syllabus is include to taste the flavor of literature also, कि हमने वाङ्मय और लिटरेचर का नॉलेज भी हमको इस उम्र में आए और उसका एंजॉय करना हम लोग सीखे, उसका ज़िंदगी में क्या इस्तेमाल होता है वो हम सीखे। तो ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है हमारे लिए। इट इज़ फुल ऑफ एडवेंचर एंड एक्साइटमेंट। सो डियर स्टूडेंट, our course book is dealing with various things, and what are the expectations of that course book from that new course book? It is summarizing in my last PPT, that is, it is a new and exciting voyage of the path of learning language and literature। एक ये बहुत ही नया तरीका है, एक नया रास्ता है। जैसे कहा गया है कि the roads are lovely dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep। तो हम लोग डिस्कवर करेंगे इसमें न्यू हॉरिजॉन, नए क्षेत्र, टू अनडिस्कवर लैंड ऑफ जॉय ऑफ लर्निंग, जो अब तक नहीं खोजे गए हैं। लेट्स एन्जॉय द एक्सपीडिशन। चलो इस मुहिम में हम साथ चलते हैं, एक कदम तुम चलो, एक कदम हम चले, और ऐसे हम सफ़र तय करते हैं। तो हमारा लैंग्वेज, हमारा लिटरेचर हमको जीवन जीने का तरीका सिखाता है। टीचर शुड प्ले अ वाइटल रोल इन दैट they not only improve and enlighten our student, but improve and enlighten them too. Learning is a joy and is a fun. So we learn or teach our student by various new ways, just like I am using here. Just like a QR code are there, Googles are there, Google Slides are there, YouTube are there. So you can use that software, you can use such kind of apps, and you can use such kind of YouTube channel to enhance, enrich and improve your student. So we have email, blog, PPT, charts and audio video aids. Hopefully our teachers use in day to day classroom, और हमारे बच्चे भी इसका ज़रूर इस्तेमाल करेंगे। तो प्यारे बच्चों, आने वाले नए एजुकेशन ईयर के लिए मैं आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देता हूँ, कांग्रेट्स कहता हूँ, और आगे आप बहुत अच्छा पढ़ेंगे इसकी मैं आपसे अपेक्षा करता हूं। और लॉकडाउन में आप घर पर रहेंगे, स्टे होम, और अपनी पढ़ाई जारी रखेंगे। धन्यवाद। मेरा इस चैनल को डाउनलोड करने के लिए आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक भी दिया है, इसको सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें और कमेंट करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।